guys, and welcome back to our channel Rescue Digital Media. Today I am here with 4 quick methods to how to recover deleted files from USB. But before we get started, like, subscribe and ring the bell icon to notified when our new video lands. USB flash drives are the most used portable data storage equipment, and sometimes a very casual mistake can cause the data to get corrupted or the accidental removal of the data from the drive. Perhaps the USB data loss mostly causes due to accidental file deletion, malware infection, data fragmentation, hardware failure, software bug. Now, let's move on to the 4 best recovery methods. Solution 1. Recover lost USB data using USB Drive Data Recovery Tool. USB Drive Data Recovery Tool is the best option that you can try to recover deleted or lost data from USB flash drive. The tool can restore deleted pictures, videos, or any other media files without any backup. The best thing about this program is that it's compatible with both the platforms, i.e., Windows as well as Mac. With the help of this tool, you will be able to recover not only data from USB flash drive but also from other external storage devices. Recovers image, video and audio files formats of all types. Supports USB flash drives such as thumb drives, pen drives or jump drives, available for both Windows as well as Mac systems. 100% safe and secure to use. Follow the steps to use USB Drive Data Recovery Tool. Download, install and launch USB Drive Data Recovery Tool on your system and select the drive, external media or volume from which you want to recover deleted media files. After selecting, click on Scan. Next, you can preview the recoverable media files after the scanning process is completed. Lastly, you can select the images, audio, video files you want to restore, and click on Recover option to save them at the location you want. Find its download and user guide links in the below description box. Solution 2. Use Command Prompt to recover deleted USB data. Another option that you can try is Command Prompt. It can help you to restore your erased files. Follow the instructions as guided, connect the USB device to the computer. Make sure that it is recognized by the system. Press Windows key and R simultaneously to bring up the Run window. Type CMD and press Enter to access Command Prompt window. Type in chkdskh/f and press Enter. Replace H with the drive letter of the USB drive. Press Y and press Enter. Type in D:\HRS/S/D and press Enter. Replace D with the drive letter of the USB drive. Wait for the process to finish. Solution 3. Restore from previous versions. You can use the previous versions to recover deleted files from USB flash drive. Try the instructed steps to restore the previous files and folders. First, right-click the folder that contained your deleted USB files and select Properties. Next, click on the Restore Previous Versions option. Now, choose the desired files and tap on the Restore option. Solution 4. Restore from existing backup. If you already kept the backup of the deleted or lost media files, then you can try Windows Backup option to restore deleted files. To do so, try these steps. Firstly, connect the backup storage media with the Windows system using the USB cable. Next, you have press Win plus I keys together to open Windows Settings option. And then go to Update and Security. And then go to Backup option. After this, you have to simply click on Go to Backup and Restore option in Windows 7. And then click on Restore My Files option. Thanks for watching.